Doug, it's a shovel. Hey, it's just a shovel. Watch this. Every time I try to shovel. Uh-oh. It's a shovel. Doug. It's a shovel. All right, I put it back. This is the beginning. Upstate New York snow. Bring it on. So bring it on, huh? I'm stuck. Ah, I'm stuck. We're gonna get possibly 20 inches in the next couple days. So yeah, you guys can follow along as we get snowed in. Yeah, and tip, don't go outside and shovel when your hair is soaked wet from the shower. It's frozen solid. Again, better watch out.
Better not try. Better not pout. I'm telling you what. The snowstorms coming to town.
He's gonna fall.
Whoa!
He falls over. Wait, don't do that to him.
I want to get on too.
No. Right, there you go, sit up.
Hold on.
Well, no, you gotta hold on too, bro. Just let him sit next to you.
Oh, check it dog. It's too bad.
Oh!
You gotta get him. Get him. Oh no. Oh, he says no.
No? Your hand's cold? Oh, it's cold, huh, buddy?
Don't read it!
I'm not leaving.
Poor baby.
I know. I'm gonna make a big sledding hill for you guys.
What?
I'm gonna make a big sledding hill. You cold, huh?
Are you ready to go in, buddy? You cold? So yeah, the snow's not made for babies, huh? Oh God, be careful.
What are you doing?
I wanna. How do I move? This is like. Mommy.
I just got started over. I'm halfway downstairs and go.
Hi. Okay. Say hello. 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 It's cold. We've gotten a lot more snow. Brody, where'd you go? I need to get on a treadmill or something, or maybe just diet, or maybe just not be fat about my life. I think we need to move somewhere very warm. I am not made for this weather. Are you made for this weather?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably not, huh?
Mommy, keep going.
Oh, okay, well, I only have 2. Come on.
No, don't put me back in.
We're not. We're going to the front yard. Let me see. Oh, wow. Yeah, I really did storm. Want to open the door and look? Don't let Doug out. Doug, back up. So you can't even open the door.
Oh.
No.
That is bad.
Back up.
Mommy, we even snow some inside.
Look at that. There's a little box.
Hey, Mommy. 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 Mommy.
It is treacherous.
That is
The only one out are the powers, including Daddy. Daddy's outside. Who are you talking to, Alexa?
I don't get
Siri?
it, but I can check the web for
Ready?
it.